It's exam season. You know what you need to get into your head, but knowing how to remember it all can be not just daunting, it can feel like a Herculean task. The good news is that decades of research from cognitive and educational psychologists have studied just this. What are the best techniques for learning and remembering? Here, I'll share 3 with you. First, highlighting and underlining text, particularly in an unstructured way, has been convincingly shown to be pretty ineffective. A study by Fowler and Barker in 1974 compared learning in groups that could either highlight as much of a new text as they wanted, or were simply asked to read the text. Given 1 hour's study and then a test, there was no difference in performance between the groups, so save yourself the cost of highlighting pens. Second, exams are designed to get you to remember what you've been studying. Use this to your advantage. Create flashcards with a critical thing you need to remember on one side and an explanation of it on the other. Over 100 years of research has shown that practice testing in this manner enhances your learning and retention. Last, think about when you should study. We all know that last-minute cramming is rarely a good idea. A study by Barak in 1979 compared learning of Spanish words over 7 sessions. These were either on the same day or spread 1 day apart. Students with all learning sessions on the same day learned the words more quickly, but their performance on a later test was significantly worse than those with learning sessions a day apart. Use this to your advantage and come back to the same material over the course of days, not hours. So I hope your revisions go well and good luck in your exams. My name is Dr. Nils Muhlert and I'm a lecturer in the Division of Neuroscience and Experimental Psychology at the University of Manchester.